So when you start off with this, you've got to warm up your compact disc player. You've got to warm up this thing for about 3 hours to get it to work properly. And then you come along, wait for the sound to come out the speakers. And then you've got to work out to hear the original sound, to get the correct guitar setting. You've got to work out, lots of people think it's the block logo, not this particular one, but a different version without the light. But it's probably actually a script logo. So, but you'll find the recording doesn't have the knob set like this. The recording has the knob set like this. Shocking, I know. You spend thousands and thousands of dollars and you end up with the volume knob set to this. This is where the volume knobs are set on this amplifier for the Blizzard of Ozz tone. For the Blizzard of Ozz tone, you spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get all the equipment, and then the knob is down here. You plug into this input here, you do not link like a moron, like a monkey. If you're linking, you bought the wrong amp. Should have bought a Park. And then these are the other knobs. And then the sound is set so quietly you can actually talk over the sound. It's shocking, isn't it? Spend all this money, all this time, buying all the stuff, thousands of dollars, and then it's set not even on one. Sure, the live show, as this volume turned up, a couple of the recorded songs have this input in use, and this amplifier set to after 6 on the volume knob, somewhere over here between 6 and 7. So to get the Blizzard of Ozz tone, this is what you want. These are the amp settings. If you want to recreate the realistic sound, then you need to put all these EQs below halfway, about 9 o'clock position, somewhere around there. So yeah, if you want to find out the real Blizzard of Ozz, he's going to be very small, very quiet. The volume is going to be set to just on. It's not even at 1. It does that sound. You're not supposed to go finding the recorded sound, you're supposed to find the live sound, which is the real sound. This sound, you can talk over it. It's that quiet. But it means every note you pluck on your guitar has to be perfect, which means it's very difficult to play.